Primer 23 adds support for the chMCF format. This video will provide an overview of said support. chMCF, Extended Master Connection File, is a comprehensive standard aimed at describing the major attributes of a connection in a neutral way to allow a seamless data flow from CAD creation through optimization and finally to manufacturing control. chMCF has grown into a cross-functional standard that can support the definition and automated virtual builds of full vehicle assemblies. Several OEMs and suppliers have adopted the chMCF format for connection data representation. Primer 23 introduces read and write functionality for this format, thus improving client processes and ensuring more robust data transfer to and from other programs that support this format. Connection recipes can now be read into Primer from external chMCF files. Primer will use these recipes to create connections. Realized Primer connections can now also be written to standalone chMCF files. We've got a Primer session open with a vehicle model loaded. Click Tools, Connection to bring up the docked connection panel. In this panel, options such as Delete, List and Contact are currently grayed out as the model has no connections. You can double-check that by clicking Table and then Apply. The table will not be mapped. In the dialog box on the bottom left, a message should appear confirming that no connections are found. We'll now import some connections using data from a chMCF file. In the Connections panel, click Read. Choose chMCF as the file format. Select an appropriate chMCF file and then click Create. In this case, the sample chMCF file contains data for only spot welds. Click Continue. Click Contact in the Connections panel and then Create Connection Contact to set up the connection contacts. Click OK. Click Table in the Connections panel and then Apply to bring up the Connections table. All spot welds are now realized. Confirm this by clicking the status column header once, and again, thereby changing the order of listing. The same method can also be used to import other connection types. Dismiss the Connections table. Click Write in the Connections panel. Specify a file name for the output file. Choose chMCF as the format and press Apply. The connection data has now been saved for subsequent import. Some software can also embed connection information as post-end data in the chMCF format. Primer 23 can read this information during model input and set up relevant connections automatically. In the case of embedded chMCF data, the relevant FE data is expected to be present in the model, and Primer establishes the link between the connection and the extant FE entities. The ability to read, interpret, preserve, and write chMCF data improves interoperability between pre-processing software. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.